All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Monday, the 30th day of June, 2014. Um, let's see. This morning, soybeans. Speaking of soybeans, we had two trades on soybeans. We stopped out to the tick on one, and then it went up where we were expecting it to go, and then the next one went through the tick by 2 or 3 ticks, and then it went up to where it was supposed to go. Sadly, so we were minus 16 ticks on soybeans. We're plus 25 ticks on the Russell. We're plus 13 ticks on natural gas, minus 8 ticks on crude oil, and minus 8 ticks on gold. That's what we did today. We ended the day positive. I know it doesn't look like it's positive, but it was. And
crop report.
Crop report today. Oh, okay.
That's what he just texted me.
Well, I would have had a bracket trade on for that if I'd have known. I guess I didn't know. Anyway, it took us 57 minutes and 12 trades to get to our goal this morning of $100 a contract, and we took a total of 18 trades. On the month of June, we are going to complete the month at $3,952.50 a contract. That's going to bring our average down a little, but it's all right. It's all good. That's it. So we start a fresh month tomorrow. Okay, fresh month beginning tomorrow. Now, let me show everybody how to take the free trial. Okay, how to take the free trial. Just a second. Let me get that out of the way. Come back here, and we'll go to this. And as soon as it loads up, I will bring it over and show you how to take the free trial. You can see on this 5-minute candle here that the soybeans just collapsed. All right, so to take our free trial, if you go to any page at CFRN.net, just go to the home page at CFRN.net. In the right-hand side, it says register for a free trial. Just put in your name, put in your email address, click register for a free trial. When you do that, you'll be sent a confirmation link. You got to click on that confirmation link because we don't know that you're registered for the free trial until you click the confirmation link. Okay, so make sure you click that confirmation link. Then you'll be sent a couple of emails. One will have all the information you need to get into our live trading room with the password and the links, and everything else that you could possibly need to get into the live trading room. The next email that will come at you will be, it'll say something like DT Pro and Ninja chart setup and trade setup details. Please watch the video. Really get in there and watch that video because that will give you a little bit of a head start on what you're going to see in the live trading room. Okay, so go to CFRN.net, put in your name, put in your email address, click register for a free trial, and that's it. Click the confirmation link, and you will get the emails that I just mentioned, the aforementioned emails. All right, so let's get into the actual trades that we took today. We'll start out with crude oil, like we always do. And on crude today, let's see. We only had the one trade there on crude. We missed this short trade right here, and we took the follow-up trade right here. Stopped us out pretty much to the tick. And then it tanked. I wish I would have had a trade on that crop report. Anyway, and then it tanked. It did exactly what we were expecting it to do. It just, sadly, it stopped us out before it did it. That was the only trade that we took on crude oil this morning. Crude was really choppy and sideways. We really didn't have any opportunity this morning until it moved down. That was it. That's a fast analysis of crude oil. Now we'll do the Russell. We had quite a few trades on the Russell today, so we'll have more to talk about on that one. And I don't know what the heck is going on here with my charts. There. Okay, just want to see what you're seeing. Scrolling back to the beginning of the day here. All right, the Russell started out really choppy in here. Okay, it was really choppy. Right there, really choppy. And, we waited out the chop, and our first trade that we took, our first trade that we took on the Russell was right here. It was a long trade, and we took 10 ticks profit on the first one. All right, we tried to take a follow-up trade right after it, and we gave 8 ticks profit back. So we're at +2 at that point. The next trade that we took was a break-even trade right here. All right, and then we took a long trade here. Got 5 ticks profit on that, putting us at +7. The next trade was right over here. It was a short trade that we took. We got 10 ticks profit on that, putting us at +17. Then we took another trade in here. That put us at +25. I think we had taken 8 ticks profit on that, put us at +25. We gave 8 ticks back on the very next trade. That put us at +17 again. And then at the end of the live trading room, we had gone long over here. I guess I just didn't have the arrows on there. We had gone long there and got the 8 ticks back, and that put us at +25 again. All right, that was how we ended our day on the Russell. Now the Russell was pretty good trading today. If you look at all the opportunities, I mean, we had 6 trades. It looks like. A couple of them lost, but even the trades that lost, they just barely stopped us out. So there was some good action on the Russell today. Still is good action on the Russell. Okay. Let's see. The next market that I will show you is gold. I'm going to slide the Russell off to the side. Oops. And the next market that I'm going to go over is gold. Now, we were in the gold here at the end of the day. I didn't draw that in either. We stopped out on this trade at the end of the day. I was highlighting a head and shoulders pattern that it looked like it was putting in, but it didn't finish the shoulder over here. Okay, it went up instead of down, sadly. All right, let's get back to the beginning of the day. Here we are. All right, our first trade of the day was in gold. Actually, it went about 6 or 7 ticks. We were looking for that one to give us our 2 points, get our 2 points early. Sadly, it didn't give the whole 2 points. It only gave about 6 or 7. We ended up getting a break even on that one, and a break even on the one after it, and a break even on the one after that. The only trade we didn't get a break even on in gold was this one here that we stopped out on, sadly. Since then, it's just been chop. It's been a mess in gold. You know, there was this up close right here would have been a long trade, and it would have been a break-even trade right there. Okay. So that was gold. Now moving off of gold, the next would be soybeans. Now the crop report just came out, so there's a ton of bars in here. We'll just scroll back quickly like that. All right. This is not today. All right. Let's find today. There it is. All right. These were our trades on the soybeans. Our first trade was an up close above the trend line right here. It was the up close above the trend line. Oops, sorry. No, my sound is a little low. Russell, you know what, Russell, type in your phone number. Dwayne and I are the only ones who can see it. Dwayne and Bert and I are the only ones who can see it. Thanks, Wes, about the crop report. I just saw the questions. If you type in your phone number, I'll give you a call a little later. Okay. In the soybeans, guys, the up close right here was where we went long. You see it stopped us out to the tick, then it moved up. The next one, we got long right in here on this up close. This one went through our stop by a couple of ticks, but then it moved up. So our direction was right. It was just, it just hit our stops today, sadly, unfortunately. We did say over and over again, I said in the live trading room, it's getting up to 1234. It got up to 1234, and then it collapsed when the crop report came out. Okay, those were the only trades that we had in soybeans. But just look at this. You know, if you look at it again, we'll throw it on a 5-minute chart, and just look at this huge candle right here. Huge candle. That's crazy. A little bit of money to be made there in the soybeans. How would I have played it if I had done my bracket? I would have shorted below 1227, and no, if I'd have done the bracket at 1130, I would have only had this information to look at. So I would have gone long above 1233, and that went up to 1236, and I would have shorted below 1227 if I'd have done the bracket. Russell, was it you that was asking about the news trades that we do? I didn't realize we had a crop report today. If I'd have realized it, that's what I would have done. I would have put a bracket on like that. I would have said buy above that and sell below that. And I would have put a buy stop order on and a sell stop order on. Okay. All right. Now, what other markets did we trade today? Natural gas. Let's look at natural gas. We made some money in the natural gas this morning. We took a short trade here on a down close below the trend line. The first one on natural gas was 6 ticks profit. We took a short trade here, another 5 ticks profit. And we took a short trade here. This was just a couple of ticks profit on that one. All right. Then we stopped trading the gas. The live trading room ended, but there was another long trade right in here and a long trade in there. You'll note that natural gas responded to the soybean report. Okay, it's worth noting. And crude oil probably did too, didn't it? No, crude didn't really respond. Sorry, just natural gas. All right, there was one more market that we looked at, but we didn't trade. It was just the ES. There was an up close above the trend line there that worked out, and a down close below the trend line here that did not work out. And that was pretty much it for the ES. All right, so to recap my recap, this right here is where we end the month of June, $3,952.50 a contract. Okay. I only trade one contract in the live trading room, Nadina. So that's it. The spreadsheet it's up right now, Bart. Okay, $3,952.50 a contract is where we ended it. All right, and those we were minus 16 on soybeans. We were plus 25 on the Russell, plus 13 on natural gas, minus 8 on crude and gold. All right. Let's see. That's it, guys. That's where we're gonna have to wrap it up. I gotta run. I gotta go to this dentist appointment back in Massachusetts. My name, not my name.
Okay, buddy.
To take the free trial, just put in your name and your email address. Click register for free trial. Click the confirmation link. There. All right. There. All right. Let me shut the recording off.